Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Sia Mbanza. Welcome to my channel, the place where you get home-based workouts and information for beginners. And today I'll be telling you everything you need to know on how you can burn fat on your thighs and on your calves. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Sia again, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be telling you about how you can burn fat on your thighs and also make your calves stronger. Now your thighs, your quad muscles, they are very big and strong muscle group. So to really get them activated and that fat burning process activated, you really need to go hard on them. So today's workout, it's very intense. It's almost like a HIIT, or in other words, a high intensity interval training, wherein you have an intense workout and have very little rest, about 10 seconds or under, and then go at it again on another exercise. Anyways guys, so how this workout is supposed to be done is that you will do all the exercises that you see on the video. When you get to the end of the video, rewind it back and start over again and repeat the whole process 3 times. Now when you're starting out, it may be hard even to just finish the first round, but that's all right. As you're starting out, you'll just do the 1 round, and as it gets easier and easier, you move on to round 2 and eventually to round 3. That way you will really activate the fat burning process on your thighs. Anyways guys, before we get off to our exercise routine, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yep, I'll give you a chance to do it now. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Anyways, subscription is free. It just allows you to get notified every time I post awesome content like this one. Without much further ado, let's get on to our workout. Alright guys, we've reached the end of our workout. This is the part where you pause, rewind back to the beginning of this video and repeat this process all over again up to 3 times. Now if you're really finished, if your legs are done at this stage, it's okay. In a couple of days, when you keep on trying this program again, you will be able to do round 2 and round 3 with very little rest in between. Remember guys, you're not competing with anybody, you're competing with yourself. Anyways guys, if you really enjoyed this video and you felt that it was very useful and valuable to you, go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button and share it with your friends. I'll give you a moment, go for it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and share it. Anyways guys, you have been amazing. It's your boy CM Banzo again. I love making these videos for you and I really hope you enjoy them. Guys, until next time, peace.